right back at work, and marketing has saved me right now because I'm just here in the office and looking at my great board, which is this is not the purpose of this video, but this is somebody's marketing plan. Oh, and yeah, it's all backwards too, but yeah, so as soon as I came in here and I looked at the board and I thought, okay, lead generation is not on here, is landing page on here because I have so much stuff on here, and I was like, oh, I instantly feel better. And it's kind of like, you know what, marketing saves me. Okay, so I'm just taking a video of the board, and this is like an entire marketing plan, everything that I can think of, and if I think of more things I will include them. But yeah, I'm just gonna go and pan with the camera. And of course it says, you know, Cambridge Linked Marketing Plan, because that's where I am at the moment. But this board looked a little bit different because I originally made it for another client, and then I called in my manager. I'm like, look at this great marketing plan. And then I'm like, oh yeah, maybe I should do this for you guys too. But anyway, so for everybody out there, you know, who wants to hire me and says, you know, I want to get a lot of likes and followers. It's about conversion, it's about making money, it's not about vanity metrics. I'm all about that. So these guys are all the things that you have to consider. First of all, I just made a little video about lead nurturing, lead generation, and how you're going to get people into your pipeline, how are you going to get people interested in you and your product. So you have to have a website and a landing page, and then you have to have proper ad copy on your landing page, and there are all these things that you have to learn about landing pages, and then you're probably going to go and buy a landing page subscription for $47 a month. And then you got to think about keyword research and what keywords. Oh, I didn't put competitive analysis on here. I got to put competitive analysis. You got to do competitive analysis, Alexa and Quantcast and all that kind of stuff. You got to do that, competition, keyword, and then you got to write content every day. You got to make sure that it's SEO, and then you're going to go to, oh, I think I wrote link building. And then you got to think about, okay, so who's going to write the content? Who's going to come up with these ideas? Who's going to post it? Who's going to distribute it? Like, who's going to see it? Then you're probably going to jump on social media to promote it. But then you got to segment your audience, because you got to really, I think I have avatar somewhere yet. You know, who's your avatar? Like, who are you? You got to figure out all the different segments, all the different audiences. You got to drill down. You got to do different content for each one of them. And then you have to engage them, and then you have to have emails, and then in order to get your emails open, you have to have really good subject lines. In order to have really good subject lines, you have to do testing. Anyway, like I said before, you can, one of the ways for lead generation, what are you going to offer them? You could write an ebook, you can do a video series, you could do a book, a giveaway or something. But you got to somehow give them something that's going to make them want to give you their email address. And then when you're writing content, you have to give, ask, ask. 70% of what you write is just content, everyday normal things, and then you should do some video, and then you should do something controversial. Is it shareable? So that's the other thing I wrote right now was, is it shareable? Shit. Am I going to remember that? Share related stuff. I'm going to remember it. Shareable. Shareable and competitive analysis are the two things that are not on here. Yeah, is it shareable? And then you got to talk about where social media somewhere on the board. Anyway, and then in order, I don't know, social media, there we go. And then after social media, you're going to want to get some testimonials so that you have social proof. And then you got to have reviews and ask people to review you. And then you're going to have to change it up, and you're going to have themes and graphics. And, you know, you have to incorporate storytelling into your work. You know, and then, hey, maybe you can have a webinar, and who's going to do the content for that? And then, oh my gosh, maybe I'll pay some money and have a content thing, and then maybe I'll spend some more money and get a funnel. You know, oh yeah, Gary Vee says that I should have maybe quote cards. Oh, and then I gotta do video. Oh boy, yeah, I gotta do video. What else? So I gotta, you know, link everything, and then there's SEO for video. Oh my God, did I write SEO? I didn't write SEO for video. God, SEO for video, shareable, and competitive analysis. Okay, I'm acting like I can't watch this video again. Anyway, what else? And then we got to think about mobile. Where is it? That's where I am. All the different things with mobile. Do you have a mobile responsive website? You know, there's text message marketing. Do you need an app for your business? And then how are you going to have mobile ads? And what are you going to do about ad blockers? And you know, and then you got to do surveys and research and your branding and your positioning, and you know, get feedback and you know, your market segment and blah, 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 and what makes you unique and yeah. And then, you know, the way that you do that is by asking questions and having frequently asked questions, and then you have to come up with those questions, and then you want to maybe do some PR, you might want to do some media stuff, right? You might want to be on a radio station or television station, and oh my God, and then you can have maybe some sponsorships and some cross-marketing opportunity. I think I have sponsorships on here. Yeah. So this, everybody, is how Wall Street and the big companies do their marketing. And when you hire me and you tell me that you want to get videos, you want to get video views, well, that's kind of important, and likes and all that kind of stuff. Oh my gosh, are you serious? This is what Wall Street, Fortune 500 company, and this is just, there's so much, there's tagging, there's a whole other scientific level to it, which is for the real brainiacs, but all that analytics and tagging and, you know, like how much, what percentage of a video did you watch? And hey, I noticed you only watched 20% of the video. Like, how the hell do they know that stuff? You know what I mean? They know exactly what to say to you. They know exactly what to say to you to get you to buy. And that's why they make so much money, because they understand true marketing. This, everybody, my friends, right here, this is marketing, okay? This is marketing. And like I said, there's probably more. I will add to this board. Okay, I gotta go. Okay, I decided to do one more thing, and that's when I said, oh, there's probably going to be more. Of course there's more. There's all the psychological stuff that goes into these ads and how they tap into your emotions, and they try to figure out what the psychological need. That's what you got to figure out. What your product, what is the psychological underpinning need that it can fill, and you can tie it into your product, and then they'll be just like, oh, zombies to buy your product or buy you. And there's Maslow's hierarchy of needs. That's what that's supposed to be. Yep, that's the whole psychology of it. That's a whole other level of marketing. Okay, so I decided to be vain and put myself in this one, because I was like, yeah, I should have put my face in there. Anyway, there was a couple other things. So, yeah, competitive analysis I put on the board now. And then I wrote, is it shareable? Yep, is it shareable? Does that give that person, you know, credibility if they share it with people? Or are they going to be, you know, are they going to look good to their friends because they shared this piece of information that makes them look like they're smart, or they care, or whatever? And then, oh my gosh, I remembered what it was. It was video SEO, but then I got into a whole other thing with the video SEO. You've got to do video SEO and then video ranking, and then you want to do a competitive analysis. There's also keywords that you can put in your video to help you rank and outcompete your competitor. And then even what you name your video, your description, your tag, like, you know, putting your website address in your video description. Like, God, there's so much. I'm just gonna keep adding to this and adding to this and adding to this. But yeah, so yeah, video is a whole other thing. Oh my gosh, that's gonna be a whole other thing. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, yeah, this is marketing. This is marketing. Okay, now I gotta go. Bye-bye. So anyway, that's it. I wanted to finish that. I just want to say, yeah, marketing saves me. Like, this board to me is beautiful. This is my Van Gogh. This is like, well, it's not my masterpiece, but it's like one of the beginning works. Like, once it all manifests itself and gets the results, that's when it's like, whoa, that's the big masterpiece. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. I feel relieved. I'm not doing Facebook Live, but I will post videos like this. Why not?